St. Lucian Creole, we use two accents. One is called the grave accent, and the other one is called the acute accent. We can only find accents on letter E's and O's. So, for example, with words like manger, once you hear that a sound, then it's an acute accent. For example, like this, manger. If I say the word déposer, do you hear that a sound? De-a-po-ze-a, right? So we have two E's in this word, which should have two accents, two of the acute accents, déposer. It's pretty simple. You just have to practice and get used to it. The A sound is an acute accent in Creole. Now, the other accent we have is the grave accent, right? And it goes on the E or on the O like this. A word that we enjoy using in the Caribbean is fete, to party, to happen, and so on. Fete. Fete, because I've pronounced it as a sound on an E, then it takes the grave accent. The difference between those two E's, one is pronounced as A and the other is pronounced as as in fête, so it takes the grave accent, and as in manger, so it takes the acute accent. And lastly, we have an accent on the O. The O only takes the grave accent. If it does not have the grave accent, then it's just a regular O, making the O sound. When you see an O with the grave accent, it just means that it's pronounced as O. O, as in the word force or la force. So in that word la force, which means strength, I've just said O. I've pronounced the O sound, and this is what takes the grave accent.